In this video, we are going to discuss one of the very important questions for 4 marks from the chapter electrochemistry. The question is, what are galvanic cells? Explain working of it with a neat sketch taking Daniell cell as example. So what are galvanic cells? The device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. That's all. A device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called galvanic cell. Actually, this chemical energy will be generated during a redox reaction, that is a reduction and oxidation reaction. That chemical energy produced during the redox reaction will be converted into electrical energy by this device which is called galvanic cell. The best example for galvanic cell is Daniell cell. The Daniell cell consists of two half cells, that is a left hand side half cell and a right hand side half cell. The left hand side half cell is anode half cell. It contains zinc rod dipped in zinc sulfate solution. The left hand side half cell is anode half cell and in which zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. This zinc rod acts as anode. Similarly, the right side half cell is cathode half cell. It contains copper rod dipped in copper sulfate solution. Right side half cell is cathode half cell, which consists of copper rod dipped in copper sulfate solution. Here copper rod acts as cathode. The two half cells are connected by a salt bridge. The first half cell which consists zinc sulfate solution and second half cell which consists of copper sulfate solution. These two are connected by a salt bridge, and this anode and cathode are connected with an external wire. Oxidation reaction takes place at anode. Reduction reaction takes place at cathode. Oxidation reaction takes place at anode, that is at zinc, and reduction reaction takes place at cathode, that is at copper. Let us see what are the oxidation and reduction reactions taking place at anode and cathode. So at an anode, zinc loses 2 electrons, becomes Zn plus 2. This is an example of oxidation. Do you know what is oxidation? So oxidation means loss of electrons, or we can also say increase in oxidation state, Here zinc having oxidation state of 0 because no charge on zinc atom. When it loses 2 electrons, its oxidation state becomes plus 2. That means due to the loss of electrons, oxidation state increases from 0 to plus 2. So this is an example for oxidation reaction. Next, similarly, let's discuss what is the reduction. Reduction reaction is quite opposite to oxidation reaction. To make you understand this reaction clearly, what I say is, so whatever the oxidation reaction we have discussed in the first case, you write the same reaction but in opposite way. That is Zn plus 2 electrons gives Zn. What I have done? I have reversed this reaction and written again. But this is a reduction reaction, but zinc does not undergo reduction in this case. But wherever zinc is present, you substitute zinc with copper. So then you will get a reduction reaction of copper. Cu plus 2 electrons gives Cu. That's all. So this is the second reaction. This is reduction reaction. Reduction means gain of electrons. It is a reduction reaction. During reduction reaction, oxidation number decreases. Here the copper oxidation state is plus 2, but here the oxidation state of copper is 0. Reduction means reduce or reduction. Reduce or in the oxidation state is called reduction reaction. So these are the two reactions takes place at anode and cathode simultaneously. So during this redox process, some amount of chemical energy will be released. That chemical energy is converted into electrical energy by this device called Daniell cell or galvanic cell. So now how to write the overall cell reaction? The overall cell reaction can be written by adding the anode and cathodic reactions. Just add these two reactions and you will get overall reaction. But in the first reaction there are 2 electrons in the right hand side, but the same number of electrons are in left hand side in the second reaction, so both can be cancelled. So now we add the reactants, so zinc and Cu plus 2 zinc plus Cu plus 2 gives Zn plus 2 and Cu, Zn plus 2 and Cu. This is the overall reaction. That's all. So it's a very simple and important question frequently asking in public exam, both for Telangana and Andhra students, even for CBSE and other state board exam students also. This is one of the important questions. Thank you for watching. Support my channel with your subscription, likes and shares. Be happy and be healthy. We will meet in the next video.